elders on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and my all young friends. Good evening to everybody. I first of all endorse the comments of my friend Mr. Sharma, who was mentioning about the hard work, dedication, sincerity, and honesty. I just wanted to share with you, these are the basic fundamental tools in your life career. No? If you adopt these things, the sky is the limit for your career. You may not be sometime paid in this side, definitely in long run, you will be heavily paid by on the other side. If these basic fundas you have adopted in your career. No? In fact, I just wanted to share with you that how the time has brought the new technology, new facilities with all of you. I was listening my friend that how means that, about the auto rickshaw driver and all that, the comments on that. I just wanted to just recall the past days. If you recollect that our Honorable Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, he was attending a school by swimming with a river and attending his school. Now, how difficult that time was. During our time, really is a fact. If we were having a bicycle, that itself was a luxury. And we were going to college and school on a bicycle. And even, not only you, my children also don't believe that how means the day has changed now. So with this transformation and the new facilities which are available with you, really these things were not available at our time. But now in this new changing world, where each and everything is available on your internet, means these are the facilitations really which will take you to the heights of your career. No? Though again, I just wanted to share with you what my friend has mentioned to you. Really means that the hard work is the basic fundamental tool which you take you to the new heights in your career. No? Because now we are talking on this globalization on the HR summit, I just wanted to share with you that we, Engineering Projects India Limited, we are on the infrastructure development, and we are dealing on modernization of steel plants, thermal power stations, hospitals, irrigation projects, and also now we are making another change in the organization. We are diversifying on the mass transportation system, on monorail, metro system. Though we are on a means change to the organization on the requirement. What are the basic requirements in the market now? Not only in India, in overseas also. So based upon that, as per the trend available, we have also now diversifying in the new areas now. As a matter of fact, now we were talking about the promotion on the HR policies. I just wanted to share you that a year and a half back I joined this organization, and I could able to see that all the experienced and old our friends at the top level, they were having just 1 year or 1.5 years for their retirement. Organization could not able to utilize their experience or their expertise for a longer duration. Keeping in this mind, we are the first public sector who have made a very comprehensive promotion policy where we have given utmost priority to the performers. Again, means that the hard work, the person who perform in the organization, if he enters at the age of 24, 23 years, he will be at the age of 42 years, he will be the executive director provided he performs. I take a pride to tell you, all of you, that we will be the first organization who will be generating youngsters at the top level of the executive in the country now. I really feel pride. Somebody made a question that after 43, 42 years, if you made your executive at the level of executive director, retirement age is 60 years, what he will do for the rest of the period? There are so many opportunities in the country now. The person can go an executive in another public sector. He can go in the board of directors in another organizations. But point is that you should generate the youngsters at the top level to optimize the performance level. That is my funda. And I am really feeling proud to tell all of you that this has given a very, large scale, in the large benefit to the organization. And we are promoting, last year I have promoted almost 30% of our employees exclusively based upon the performance level. So this is what actually just wanted to share with you, that a person, if does a hard work, he has a sincerity with the organization, sky is the limit for his career now. And again, I just wanted to congratulate Amethi for generating highly professionals for the country, and many of you will be at the top level, maybe the minister, maybe the prime minister, or maybe the president of the country. Though the young generation, which is being generated with a very high quality work, with the high quality standards, really I appreciate Amethi. In fact, I have also invited Amethi to depute your executives or your young professionals who are in the final year. They can join our organization for the training program and all that. And in the last batch, the youngsters who were with us, I really appreciate the quality of the standard of the quality of the Amethi education. Really, I was very much impressed with their project reports and the work done by them in our organization. I got a very good feedback, for which I congratulate to Dr. Chauhan and his team and the entire faculties of Amethi. Thank you very much.